In this video I'd like to show you the unboxing of this Vox Mini Amp 5. See what it looks like when you open the top. Some packaging there to protect it. Of course I don't know what's in each box. I'll just take each box out and then I'll show you. This top box looks like it's some more packaging to protect the product. Inside we've got, looks like the strap, user manual, and then be careful with one of these because they can be quite dangerous from children or pets. And I'm just going to take this out of the box, so just hang on. So this is what it looks like out of the box. So what we've got there is the strap, probably the adapter for the electric transformer, and manual, user manual. So I'll just undo this. On the side it's got some packaging there to protect the little thing that you attach the strap to on the side here. I'll show you in a minute. So I'm just opening this box, and it is the plug for the mains, to power this off mains. It also runs off battery, which I'll get into shortly. As you can see, the user manual, it looks like it's in a few languages, and it's only a few pages really. So this looks like it's the strap. I'm just going to cut this off and then put it on. As you can see at each end it's got this slot that fits on this button here. So as you can see at the side here, it's quite stiff to put this on, so you have to kind of put it on sideways like that. Open the slot, maybe do it kind of vertically like that, and I kind of push it down like this. See how it's gone on there, look, and then just flatten it out again. I've done the other side, so there we have it. So that's the strap on. So on the back here, down here is where you obviously plug in the mains. This is the mains, and it goes in there, look. Or powers off batteries, like a little tab here. And it sounds like it's a Velcro, held on by Velcro. Yes, it's held on by Velcro and very, very tough to pull off. There's the Velcro here on the bottom as well, and I'll show you the area where the batteries go in. See where some AA batteries or AAA batteries go in there. So the Velcro straps that I'm talking about is running down the sides of this and down each edge there. So when you pop it back, it's just loose like this when you take it off, and then when you put it back on, it just grips by the Velcro. Quite a good idea, that. So on the back, on either side of the main lead, it's just 2 screws and some information to read. Apparently if you run it off batteries, it lasts about 9 hours in use. So I'll just turn it around so you can see it. This is like a material front, and this is like just a gold chrome. This is like a plastic rim on the outer edge. Got some corner protectors on each corner, front and 2 at the bottom of the back. So it's not too bad, it's quite nice looking. So let's take a look at the top. Push this strap won't come totally out of the way, so I'll just lean it forward and show you. So there's a lot of buttons going on there. So the main one looks like it's the input for the guitar, input for your microphone, and with the microphone apparently you can use these for setting different effects. There it says effects, and then the amount of these effects are controlled by the send and trim. So you adjust these to put the effects on and use these to lessen them or increase them. So that's for the microphone. And then you've got the amplifications for different settings here, different what's the word? I can't think of the word. You know, if you want to, what are they called? Tweet 4x10, black 2x12. Don't know what these mean. Not familiar with them. UK 80s, UK 90s, Carly metal, US high gain, and you can go through those. And then you've got, these are the gain buttons, gain, high, and the volume button, tone one in the middle there. There's a little switch there, you probably can't see there, but you can change the wattage. 5 watts at the maximum, 5 watts, 1.5 watts, or even down to 0.1 watt. So I think apparently that makes it less loud. Of course, you've got your mains switch to put your electricity on to power the device. This auxiliary in for plugging in CD players and MP3 players, etc. If you want to silence it by putting headphones on so you can listen through earmuffs, brilliant. If you don't want your neighbours or your friends to hear you practicing. Now here the rhythm section, or the inbuilt drums, inbuilt rhythm, whatever you want to call it. Different styles with this switch here, from rock, metal, pop, R&B, jazz, etc. And then you can even increase the tempo up and down and turn the levels up and down. The levels, you'll change that in accordance with how your guitar's playing. If you don't want that so loud, you can turn it down. If you want it much louder while you're playing guitar, turn it up. And then all these here, you've got, I think it's 10 altogether, or even 9. But then you've got 3 variations of each one by pressing this. So in effect, you're making it 90 or 99. So as you can see there, so it's just showing you what this looks like. It's just like out of the box. I'm not showing a demonstration of it yet. I just wanted to show you the unboxing, what to expect. The quality is very good, and I paid £130 for it. Now, I've also bought a microphone today to go with it. I'll just show you which type I bought. Now, this is the one I bought. It's a Behringer, and it's the XM8500. £20, that's all I paid for it. Now, it doesn't come with the lead. You have to buy the lead additionally, which is that I bought this one. And it's a specific one where you need this end to it. I'll show you the end. It's called XLR or something like that. It needs that end. That's the female end, and this end to go in the amplifier. So microphone plugs straight onto that and locks in position with this pin. There's no on-off switch with the microphone, so it'll just be controlled from the amplifier. The microphone comes in a nice box with this one. And in addition to that, I've bought this windjammer. Although it's got one inbuilt into the microphone, I just bought an additional one. That was £5. And it also comes with a microphone holder, but I bought this one in addition because I didn't realise it had one. Again, that was about £6. I didn't really need it in the end. So anyway, I hope you like this video of me unboxing this Vox Mini Amp plus Rythmn. And if you have any questions, let me know. Look out for a future video where I'll be showing this. I'll be demonstrating this. Now, I know there's a lot on YouTube already, but none of them show the microphone in use and how it sounds when you put the effects on. So that'll be something I'll be showing. And I'll be showing more of this rhythm section and the tempo use with it, just how good that tempo can be. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Subscribe, share the video if you like. Bye bye.